Wall push-ups are a great way to strengthen your upper body without putting as much strain on your back as a traditional floor push-up. To do a wall push-up, start by finding a wide, straight wall where you won't be up against any corners or other obstacles. Stand just a little over an arm's length away from the wall, with your shoulders square and your feet shoulder-width apart. You should be far enough from the wall that you have to lean forward slightly to put your hands against it, with your body tilted at a 45-degree angle. Place both hands on the wall in front of you, with your hands and elbows lined up with your shoulders. Keep your elbows straight, but be careful not to lock them, since this can be hard on your joints. Then gradually bend your elbows until your upper body is up against the wall. Do this in a slow, controlled motion, and keep your feet locked in place so that you don't lose your balance. Try to keep your back, hips, and legs in a straight line the whole time. As you lower yourself against the wall, gradually breathe in. It might help to slowly count to 4 in your head as you lean in. Pause for 1 or 2 seconds with your chest and chin against the wall, then carefully push back away from the wall. Exhale and slowly count to 2 as you straighten your elbows. Once you've returned to your starting position, the push-up is complete. Aim to do 2 sets of 10 to 15 push-ups and rest for 1 to 2 minutes between sets. As you get more comfortable doing wall push-ups, boost the difficulty of your workout by pushing up from a lower surface. For instance, try pushing up from a tabletop, the armrest of a couch, or even the bottom step on a staircase. After a few weeks of doing push-ups at lower and lower heights, you may be ready to switch to regular floor push-ups. Just take it slow, and don't do anything you're not comfortable with.